Hey guys, Rising Pips here. Today we are taking a live demo trade with the strategy, and then you can see the red and yellow, the blue and the yellow indicators moving average has crossed at the top over there, and the awesome oscillator AO is also turned red, and that is what gave us the impression to take that sell trade. So actually the price was coming from the top and it has come into a channel. All right, it's forming a channel. The lines, I'll draw the lines to the channel of the channel. Now this is M15. M15 is telling us that the general trend is a downtrend. All right, because you can see the market coming from the top over there to the down over here, and when it reaches the down here, it has formed a channel. Okay, so as it is now in this channel, we are expecting it to be able to break that channel and go back down. You can see that the awesome oscillator, the AO, is still red at the bottom over there. So the actual channel is from the top over there to the down over here, and we are expecting the market to break this level at the bottom and go far down. All right, so as we take this trade, we are going to monitor the trade, see how far it's going to go. Now if you look at M1, you realize that M1 has also made a reversal, an upward channel, and then it is now coming down, and since the AO is also red, we took the trade. Now this is M5. M5 has made a lower low. All right, but this is the bigger picture of M5 channel. Okay, so we are expecting the market to come down and break that channel over there, the down one, and as it went up, that was the highest point it's reached before it is coming down. But we know that the price market was actually coming from that top to the bottom over here. So actually we are going to monitor this trade to see how far it's going to go. Now let me show you something very essential. We all know from M15 that this trade is a downtrend. All right, this trade is a downtrend, but look at what happened over here. Now this is a downtrend. You can see it, like it came from that top over there to the down. If we should zoom in, you will see that there are more candles coming from the down to from the top to the down, as we saw on M15 earlier. But now the price began to go up from that circle. The market began to go up in that circle over there. Should we take a buy? No, because the general trend is a sell trend. All right, so we are going to wait to see whether the market will come back down. All right, so as we see the awesome oscillator turning red again, and as we also saw already on M15 that the channel is coming down, there's no way we should buy from there. Okay, now you can buy a little and take some pips. All right, but it's not generally advisable. You need to sell when it's a downtrend, and then you buy when it is an uptrend. Now you can also see that the parabolic SAR is forming dots over there, showing that the trend is coming down. So we have confirmation from the M15 moving average. Hello guys, some hours after taking the trade, we are going to look at what actually happened in the market. Okay, you look at the other number, you realize that it's the same other number, and this is a live demo trade, as you have said earlier on. And then this red line over here, that was where the market was when we took this trade. All right, that was where the market was, and then we drew this channel over here, and we were saying that we are expecting the market to go and pass this channel, that level over there. So right now we can see that the market has moved from here up to that level before it reverses to the downside. Now let's take a look at this on M. Let's take a look at this on M1 and M15. So now on M1 we still see this red line. Okay, this red line, this was where the market was when we took the trade. The market was here. All right, okay, so we took the trade over here, and then the market moved right from here to the downside. Okay, now what happened? What was going on as the market was moving? It still moved and moved to this point, and it was at this point that the market reversed. Okay, the market reversed. Okay, so I was still trading this on my live account, so I took profit at this level. Okay, because I realized with the wicks over here and with a crossover of the yellow and the green line that it is going to go back down. All right, but I knew from the higher time frames that the trade is still going to go down. So as the market reached that very area, that is that area where we took the sell trade, it went back down. All right, it went down again and came down to write a W, and it went up again. All right, so I was monitoring the market, and I still took my live trade over here because I left the demo trade for demonstration purposes. And then we can see that it has come down from there. It has come down from this side up to this level as at this moment. All right, as at this moment. So the trade is still going down, and you can see a crossover of the moving averages. When it's reached here, it tries to form a channel again, and with the cross of the moving averages, it still went down. All right, so we'll try to see how far it will go down, and I'll give you updates. All right, but what I was actually doing in the live market on my live account was that as the market went from here to here and started reversing to here, okay, I put a stop loss over here. Okay, so that as the trade is going in this format, if it wants to reverse to the top, then it will hit the stop loss. But it did not reverse, so it went back up. All right, with the analysis on I knew that this trade is going to go down. That was what I was using. But normally, if it were just to be a scalping with the moving averages, what I was supposed to do is to just take the trade from here and exit the trade over here as it was at the moving averages crossover at that point, and then you enter the trade over here again as the moving averages cross down, and you should still be in profit. So we'll update on what else went on. Remember, this is just to teach you something, and I'm also going to show you some pictures of some live trade that we took on real accounts on Crash. All right, so keep on watching. Everything will be clear. Thanks. I'd like to give you the last update on the live demo trade that we took. It was yesterday. Okay, I monitored the trade on my live account, and then I left the demo one moving over the night. Okay, so we took the trade when the moving averages cross over here. Today I can show you the M1 trend, the 1 minute trend, because it is far down. We can only see it from the M15 of entry was here. If we should go to 1 minute, it will be so far, we'll not be able to catch up with it. So from there, you can see that on M15, the market moved right from here to this point. All right, to this point. Okay, now I am expecting the market to still come down from there. That's just a reversal. Okay, that was just a reversal to the top. Okay, so the market has formed a structure over here. That's formed a structure over there, and I'm expecting it to come back and then break the structure that it has formed at the down over here. Oh, come on. So this is M30. You can see how far it came. Let me go back to M15. I was saying that the market has created a structure over here. All right, this is a structure. Okay, so I'm expecting it to come down and break through and go down. So that means this trade has more potential of going down. So even if you take this trade from the 15 minutes, you will not be able to enter the trade over here. No, because this is where the moving averages have crossed. All right, but since we took the trade from M1, the trade went earlier before the 15 minutes crossing over happened. Okay, so I believe you get something from this video and begin to use this ascending and descending moving average strategy. If you have any question, you can just put it in the comment section and then we'll deal over it. Next will be some of the live trades that we took on Crash 500. That will be pictures of what we took on demo and on a real account, so that you see how the moving average crossed and then the trade was placed and what happened after. So guys, this is Rising Pips. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel so that you see more updates of moving average based strategies. And then we are also going to release videos on how you can plot your trend lines and how to monitor trades to go. Okay guys, these are some of the trades that we took on Crash 500, and then this is a demo account. All right, so the trade was taken right there. All right, it was taken right there. What happened after that trade was taken? You see the next picture, it fell from there. The crash happened from there, and it went right down. Why? Because there was a cross of the moving averages at the top over there. And now let's look at a live account trade. This was a live account trade. What happened? The trade was taken right over here after the cross of the moving averages at the top. Okay, and even at this side too, it didn't go up that much and it came down, which means that still is going to come down. So we took this trade. This was on a real account, and then it fell down. You can see AO also going down. All right, in this screenshot there is no parabolic. All right, there's no parabolic, but if there were to be parabolic, you are going to see the parabolic lines also coming down from from there. All right, so as we took that trade, it fell. What happened next is that it kept on falling. This is where the trade was taken. This was on a real account. Trade was taken there, and it fell right here, went up and go back, and then it went, come back. All right, that's how it go. You see AO is showing red over there, and then RSI is not showing overbought, which oversold, which means that the trade has more potentials to go down. All right, thank you. This is Rising Pips. If you have any comments, please like, share, subscribe, draw in more people. If we have more subscribers, we'll begin to release some free indicators